Good Monday afternoon. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Trevor Gibbs, tracking increasing heat this week. Even though the mornings will be cool in the 50s and 60s, the afternoons will be progressively warmer, 80s and then eventually some 90s. And as we stay dry, that means the drought's going to continue to expand and that wildfire risk, unfortunately, is going to increase. Over the weekend, we had several wildfires ignited, a few in Baker County, another in Bradford County here, and they are largely contained, so that's good news, but still tracking some active fires inland here. You can see some of them on this list, and we'll continue to monitor this closely over the next couple of days. Tonight, temperatures will settle through the 60s and then late into the 50s with partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow for your Tuesday, a lot of sunshine expected. Going to be a beautiful day with a comfortably cool morning, 50s and 60s, and then warm in the afternoon, low to mid 80s by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. On our way later this week and the weekend into the 90s. The average high 79 degrees. We're going to be more than 10 to, in some places, even 15 degrees hotter than that by the weekend. And that's close to record highs. So here are the forecast highs Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Record highs are going to be a degree or two higher than that. So we'll likely fall short of some of these records, but we won't be far away from it. And unfortunately, again, that comes with dry weather here over the next 7 days. You can see the storm track to the north and west of North Florida, South Georgia. That's where all the rainfall is. And so we're not going to be looking at any of that here locally as we move forward in time, which will again continue to increase the drought even beyond the next 7 days. Here's the next 6 to 10 days. And even though all the rain to our west will bring beneficial rain to much of the central part of the country, near and just below average amounts of rain expected for the southeast. So in your 7-day forecast with your weekend always in view, you can see the increasing heat. It's dry every day, a lot of sunshine. So beautiful weather if you don't mind the warmth. And again, it's comfortable in the mornings in the 50s and 60s and increasingly hot in the afternoons. Now, there is going to be a cold front that moves through early on Monday, and that's what we hope would bring some rainfall. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it will, but it will drop our temperatures down in the afternoons into the 70s.